indicates this vehicle as having a recent price reduction, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, heated seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration, ventilated seats, rear heated seats, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a comfortable riding, powerful compact SUV loaded with impressive standard features. Take one look at its stylish, sleek design and you'll want to cross over to a Sorento, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, keyless entry, traction control, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, power lift gate, Bluetooth. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.